When you watch the footage, you'll probably hear karaoke over here.
Oh yeah, my impact started smoking the other day.
Did you tell it was a no smoking section? Hey, cha-cha again.
No, let's turn it out.
But take it back now, y'all.
I was doing that spring job and damn, I was sweating so much.
Yeah. So we're racing today, right?
Well, you had a head start.
Get on my level. We had a guy that worked here before, and he was like, get on my level. So I put his level on the ground, put my foot on. Gonna make my track call.
It sounds like a you problem.
Sounds like I'm gonna beat you up problem. I'll make my me problem be a you problem.
You didn't even put my track together.
Hey, I tore out the old doors, brought all the new stuff in.
So I have to switch over the opener from a big door to a small door.
I think the biggest reason I know more than you on a lot of stuff is just because I got 10 years. Exactly, I got 10 years on you. You know, in the date today, there's only 2s and 4s. 2s and 4s unless you do the full year. You can fit it in the hall.
I sure hope so. Might be too big.
Huh?
What?
2-day project. I was like, are we going to be staying up there? She's like, yeah. I got a door install on Tuesday and another door install on Tuesday.
What? Maybe they're just shuffling things.
Zydrate comes in a little glass vial. Gap's going to be wide.
My gap's gonna be wide?
Yep. So how'd you end up leveling that door out? Did you try slipping the drum or?
I tried it, but then I got nervous, so I just did the vice grips.
Kind of nice having a 4-foot ladder, huh?
Yeah, I know. Oh, no. Why? No.
No. Yeah.
No, no.
I like how you're just like, no, that, no.
No,
no.
No.
But, no.
No. That, no. That's that, no.
No. Trevor, I don't want to work with Matthew anymore. He's throwing stuff at me. I'm a delicate little flower. Actually, it's a requirement that once you get to a certain age, every time you stand up or sit down, you have to groan, even if it doesn't hurt. They say it's a 90-degree angle. Hey, that's an 89-degree angle.
Shut up!
Fine, I won't help you anymore since you don't like my stapling.
The other wall station?
What about it?
It's not up.
Yeah? You said you didn't like my wiring, so...
Oh my gosh. Now you're acting like a 13-year-old girl.
You said this. Why'd you say it if you didn't mean it? Don't pass me by if I don't open up my eyes. On this episode of Garage Door Guy Singing Off Key... Oh. That was actually good. Did you mean to catch that?
Nope.
bet you we couldn't do that again if we tried. Dude, you're gonna hate listening to the mic on this. Hey, maybe if you get enough footage, you can actually send it in to like TLC or the History Channel, then have them start a reality show that has to do with garage door guys. Well, they got some for tow truck guys and all this other stuff. So I gotta ask, how did you leave your ladder behind? Hey, if they ever do like a parody movie of like it, they could play this song and just be guys beating up the clown.